What if you could create exciting spy stories, puzzle books, and printable activities with the power of AI? The Spy Academy helps you create interactive spy-themed books, puzzles, and printable activities in a faster and more efficient way. Create engaging stories, code-breaking challenges, printable worksheets, and ready-to-use puzzle books, all from one platform.
The Spy Academy is built for creators who want to design engaging puzzle books and printable resources using AI tools. Explore AI-powered features that help you create puzzle books, stories, and printable activities. Customize your content and prepare projects for publishing. Whether you're creating educational resources, printable activities, or interactive books, the Spy Academy offers AI-powered tools to support your publishing workflow.